Okay. So, hold on, let me get this. Oh wait, no, I'll put that back later. Okay. I need some help. First things first. This is my Acura. That's my baby. This is my Acura here. And I'm getting some kind of tick, 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 tick. I just want to know if anybody knows what it might be. I'm going to get closer to it. Maybe pick it up better. It sounds like it's coming from back here somewhere in this area. But I don't know. It sounds like it's from the back. I really don't know. I'm going to gas it a little bit and let you hear from the inside of the car. Hold on. That down. Alright. Put it down in the car so you can get it better here. Alright, what I really want to know is that good or bad? That sounds disgusting. I'm sure you're going to say it's bad, but does anybody know what it is? Leave me a comment below if you do. Thanks.